My students, how are you? Prep 1. Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 4. Week number 4. Model A, choose the correct answer. If x plus 2 less than negative 3, what is the value? Which is the value of x and satisfies this inequality? X plus 2 less than negative 3. You can solve this inequality by move 2 from left hand side to right hand side. Change the sign like this. X plus 2 less than negative 3, then we have x is less than negative 3 minus 2, then x less than negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Choose the number less than negative 5, it will be letter C. The answer here will be letter C. Okay, next question. Number 2. Next question. 3x power 2 times 4x power 3 equal 4 product by 3 equal 12. We have 3x power 2 in brackets product by 4x power 3. Look at here, 3 times 4 is 12 and x power 2 times x power 3 is equal bx power 5. You can 8 power 3 plus 2 is 5. Next question down. Second, find the solution of the inequality in Q. Irrational number. We have inequality here, 2 product by a sum of x and 2. X and 3 is then equal to 8. First step, we can divide it by 2 to cancel the coefficient of brackets. Divided by 2 here. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Then we have x plus 3 less than or equal to 4. Then x less than or equal to 4 minus 3 equal 1. In solution set in real numbers, we can write x such that x is belonging to rational number and x is less than or equal to 1. Next example. Find the simplest form of this expression. 5 times a times b, 5ab product by 3ab power 2 plus 3b subtract by 2a. We can product 5ab by 3ab power 2 is that 8 to 5 ab product by 3b subtract by 2 times 5 equal 10 ab times a. We can write 5 times 2 equal 10 and a times a equal a power 2 and write b here. Now we can write the answer. 3 times 5 15, a times a power 2, b times b power 2 equal b power 3. 5 times 3 is 15 and a product b times b is b power 2 subtract by 10 a power 2b. We have a p power 2 and a power 2b. We can't find the answer without the similar finished solution. Next question, simplify and find the value when x equal 1. We can simplify this expression. 5 product by x like this. In brackets we have x minus 2 plus 2x product by 3x plus 4. 5x times x to be 5x power 2. And then 5 times 2 equal 10. 2x times 3x equals 6x power 2. 2x times 4 equal 8x. Then 5x power 2 subtract by 6x power 2 subtract by 10 plus 8x. 5x power 2 subtract x power 2, it will be negative x power 2 subtract by 10 plus 8x. Oh, he won't find the value when x equal 1. Okay, I write 5x times x equal 5x power 2 again, okay, and 5x times negative 2 negative 10x, and we have 2x times 3x equals 6x power 2 and 2x times 4 equal 8x, and I simplify x power 2 by x power 2 here. We have 5x power 2 and 6 power x power 2, it will be 11 x power 2. negative x 10x plus 8x equal negative 2x. Okay, I solve it again. Okay, my students, with the sign here was positive, not negative. Okay, in the simplest here, 11x power 2 and negative 2x at x equal 1, then the value will be equal 11 product by the value of x subtract by 2 times 1. 11 times 1 is 11, subtract by 2 times 1 is 2, then 11 minus 2 is 9. Next question, model B. Choose the correct answer if x less than x minus 2 is less than negative 3. Which of the following finds the value satisfies that equality? First step, we can move negative 2 here. It will be negative 2 or negative 3 plus 2. Then x less than negative 1. What is the number less than 1? You can choose negative 2. The answer will be letter A. Negative 2 is less than. Next question. 4x power 2 product by 4x power 3. The answer here, you can write 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. And x power 2 times x power 3, it will be x power 5. You can collect 2 powers here. Next question down. Find the solution set of the inequality here. We have this inequality 3 product by x plus 5 less than or equal to 9. We can divide it by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, then x plus 5 less than or equal to 3. Then we can move 5 here, then x less than or equal to negative 2. You know, the solution set will be x such that x less than or equal to negative 2 and x is belonging to rational number. Solution about this inequality. Next question down. Find the simplest form of this example. 2xy product by 3xy power 2 plus 5x minus 4y. Write with me. 2 times 3 equals 6. X times x power 2. Y times y power 2 is y power 3. 2 times 5 equal 10. X times x power 2, and then write y, write negative. 4 times 2 equal 8, and xy times y, it will be x y power 2. You can collect 2 powers here. Then the simplest example, we can find more than this. It's the last solution. Now I will find the value of this expression and then find the value when x equal to. Okay, we have 3x product by x plus 2 in brackets plus x is product by 3x plus 5. First step, 3x times x is 3x power 2 and 3x times 2 equals 6x. Then x times 3x equals 3x power 2. X times 5, it will be 5x. We can add 3x power 2 plus 3x power 2, it will be 6x power 2. And 6x plus 5x is 11x. Oh, but he won't find the value when x equal to. Okay.